With just a laptop, internet connection, and almost zero investment, you can earn abundance of money sitting at home. Turning your knowledge into successful business with 6, 7, 8-figure income is always a great thing, right? And this is the biggest trend. You must catch it now. According to one survey, online education industry would be worth $325 billion by 2025, which was $107 billion in 2015. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're a fitness trainer, school teacher, college professor, social media expert, web designer, accountant, sales expert, communication skills coach, you can create massive income sources by spending just few hours every month. Just give me a few minutes and allow me to tell you how. I'm gonna tell you 4 platforms where you can create your courses and sell. So the first one in our list is Zoom. Zoom is a cloud-based video conferencing tool where you can be a host, have calls, and arrange meetings with others. Zoom has free and paid options both. You get 40 minutes and can add up to 100 participants in the free version. Whereas, paid version comes with some additional features. One interesting feature is you can video record your classes. Right now, Zoom is the most famous video conferencing tool with webinar facility as well. Your big selling game starts now on ClickFunnels. You can create many courses under different categories even without having your website. You don't need to be an expert designer or a coder. It's just a drag and drop page builder where you can create your courses and sell. They offer webinar options, squeeze page, affiliate management tools, inbuilt email integrations, form pages where users can fill in their details. I personally like squeeze page and affiliate management tools. Through affiliate management tools, you can create revenue sharing programs, and squeeze page is used to get people to give their emails. Data is the new oil, you know. So ClickFunnels is interesting. You can try it. So third in our list is Teachable. Teachable is almost similar to ClickFunnels except for few things. Teachable has got many page templates, landing page, checkout page, but no webinar options. Email integration option is quite an average though. However, they are using third-party email service provider to send hundreds of emails and more advanced email marketing options. But the best thing about Teachable is it's more cost effective. Number 4, Thinkifik. Almost similar to Teachable, but not as famous. I don't like their one functionality though. They have got 2 steps checkout page. I understand during lockdown people have a lot of time, but still who wants unnecessary hassle? Oh guys, we want to give you more. No, actually we want to give you abundance of knowledge. So few more webinar platforms plus email integration tools. Now except Zoom, there are few more webinar platforms like EverWebinar, Webinar Jam, GoToWebinar, EasyWebinar. But I don't like their pricing. Email integration tools. These email integration tools make emails easier to send. You can write emails and automate it. Few famous tools are ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, ConvertKit, and you might have seen few pop-up forms on different websites. Well, these email guys are responsible for that. Hey guys, here's a lifetime opportunity for you. If you wish to know step-by-step guide, like how much should you charge for your courses, how to sell your courses successfully, how to create a landing page, how should you accept payments, how to market it, it's very simple. Just click the join button below because we have come up with YouTube courses on communication skills, public speaking, personality grooming, business, sales, and how to create online courses and sell successfully. It's very simple. Monthly subscription is just 159 rupees per month, and the content will blow your mind. See you until next time.